PageFly. Hi, welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to integrate a MailChimp form into your PageFly page. So firstly, what's a MailChimp form? MailChimp is an official app integrated with PageFly that helps you to create a subscription form on your page. It helps you to collect contact information for email campaigns and to grow your audience. So, let me show you how to get a MailChimp form onto your page. Okay, so first off, you can visit your MailChimp account by clicking on the link in the description. If you haven't had an account, click on Create an Account. If you have had already, you just log into your account with username and password. From here we're going to go on to Audience and Audience Dashboard. You can add your contacts here. And after that, we're going to go to Signup Forms in the left bar. And we're going to go to Embedded Forms. Start to customize your form with functions in the left bar, then hit Continue button on the top right when finished settings. So come down here to the code and find this part here, Form Action. And we're going to copy everything in between the quotation marks. In this example, here is the code. Okay, so we can head back to PageFly and we can add a MailChimp form just here. Now, I will active MailChimp from in Page Editor. To access the MailChimp element, you should click on the plus icon, which is the Add Element function. Click on the MailChimp element in the drop-down menu. Then drag and drop the element you want into the Page Editor and then start using it. After dragging the MailChimp form element to the page, select it and paste the copied code into Action URL of the Content parameter in the General tab. Now, I will introduce you some general configuration of MailChimp form element. In General tab, you can set up the name placeholder of field input here next. You can set up the button type, button text and icon position for MailChimp form button. If want to change the icon on the button, you can select icon and adjust icon size. You can customize the styling of the MailChimp form element, MailChimp input email and MailChimp form button individually in the Styling tab. Click the Save and Publish button and you should see a confirmation message saving the changes. Then, click Live View to see the result. And entering an email to see if it works. And there we go, that subscription confirmed. Note that there's no way to stay on the same page after you've clicked the subscribe button. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.